Hello and welcome to Restoration ERP. Now, I will show you how to add staff to your companies. So you will go to the company. In this example, I'll use this one. And on the left side, you will choose staff. Once you are in there, go to create. And then from here, you can either add someone from the building staff or also create a user. If you choose to create a user, you will have to give them a role, and then they will have also access and will be invited to using the ERP tool or app. Let's just add the user. I will put the first name and last name, then the title. If they have an email, they should receive an email. And then here you can assign them to a vendor if there is one, and to a building. I will connect this one to this building, add the phone number, and of course the address. Adding the staff to this building means that they only can see that building. I will submit. And then now you have your new staff added there. You can edit this at any point and modify their access, and also add more buildings if you have any more.